Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro. This is 13-inch M1 2020 and you can see the RAM is 16 gigabytes and the display 13-inch and the storage is 2 terabyte. Okay, you can see the battery information, the battery 60 cycle count and the battery capacity is 100%. Okay, let me show you the graphics. You can see the GPU 8 cores and the CPU 8 cores, 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Okay, this is the MacBook Pro M1 MacBook Pro. Now you can see the touch bar. Okay, no scratches, no scratches. The touch bar function, no problem. Okay, and the trackpad also. The trackpad also no problem, and the speaker grills also no scratches, no scratches. And let me show you the top cover. Okay, the top cover also no scratches. M1 16 gigabyte, 2 terabytes. And let me show you the back cover. You can see the back cover also no scratches, no scratches. And let me show you the charging ports. You can see minor scratch here, a minor scratch, and you can see this edge. Okay, a minor scratch here. This corner also no problem. This corner also no problem. And you can see the headphone jack also no problem. Okay, let me show you the display. I changed the wallpaper and show you the 30-inch display. The gray color. Okay, now you can see no problem. The display is okay. Now you can see the display no problem. And let me change another color. Okay, also no problem. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay. Okay, let me change another one. Also no problem. Okay. If you want to know more information about the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. You can see the keyboard backlight. No problem. Okay. This is the M1 16 gigabyte 2 terabyte 2020 model. Okay. See you in the next video.